Welcome to Coogee Care Centre. Today I'm going to show you how to use your app to make a booking. Open your app and on the bottom bar, click on the calendar, i.e. bookings. On the top right hand of your screen, tap on New. You will then have an option of booking and absence or holiday. Tap on Booking. Then select your child's name. Find the date you're requesting. For example, January the 11th. Tap that date, then tap on Request Space. Tick the box anytime/all day, and in the comment section, type in what type of care you are requesting, whether it's before school care, after school care, junior vacation care, or senior vacation care. For this example, I will be typing in junior vacation care. Then at the bottom of the screen, press Save. For additional days, repeat the last two steps to select more days. Once all days have been requested, on the top right hand corner, click on your cart. On this screen, you'll find a summary of the dates you have requested. Please confirm that all those dates are correct. On the bottom right hand of the screen, you will see Request. Click on that Request button. You will then see a confirm screen. This means your requests have been sent. Now it's time to check your requests. Close your screen, head to your calendar. On the bottom of the screen, you can also scroll up and see your bookings or your requests there. On the calendar, on the date you requested, if you see a clear orange circle, this means the request has been sent. To see if your bookings have been confirmed, head back to your calendar. When you see a bold orange dot above the date, that means your date has now been confirmed. You can also once again scroll up and find that date and see that that booking is now there. That is the end of how to make a booking on your Xplor app. Please remember, we always have helpful staff at the service, so feel free to call or email info@coogeecarecentre.org.au for any of your queries. Thanks.